After everything I've done for this company, I don't get the promotion?
I appreciate your willingness to find a solution.
I don't want apologies. I want my refund right now.
I'm at a crossroad in my career and I'm feeling really lost.
Do you have any idea in kind of what way you'd like your career to go?
Thank you for asking, Verity. I've been feeling the need for a change for a while now. I feel like I have potential in various areas, but I'm afraid of making the wrong choice.
What is this meeting about?
Hi Hugh, thank you so much for joining me today. So firstly, I just wanted to check in really. We've noticed there's been a slip in your performance in the last month or so.
Well, thank you for checking in, Verity. I appreciate your concern. I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed lately with the workload, and it's been difficult to meet all the targets.
Firstly, you displayed empathy by recognizing the importance of work-life balance and the need for you to connect with your family while on business trips. This allowed for a more understanding and open dialogue.
You displayed some commendable skills in maintaining composure and attempting to provide explanations for your decision. You remained composed despite Rob's confrontational